Hi, greetings from Vajag1.com. Aries horoscope today. Today, you'll find yourself stepping up as a peacekeeper, striving to maintain harmony at home and in the workplace. Volunteering to create a positive environment will not only uplift those around you but also inspire your own motivation. However, be cautious about sharing private information. Unexpected truths may surface, so brace yourself and handle them with grace. Health and wellness. Your energy is at an all-time high, driving you to make changes in your surroundings. Before diving into action, take a step back and reflect on whether those changes are truly necessary. Your focus and determination are unmatched today, so choose your battles wisely. Delegating the selection of projects to someone you trust may help you channel your efforts effectively. Love and relationship. The past few days may have left you puzzled about your partner's signals. Today brings clarity. Information will come to light, enabling you to assess your relationship with a clear mind. Be ready to take decisive action if necessary, but ensure you maintain your composure while doing so. A calm and measured approach will serve you well. Career and money. You're on a winning streak, Aries. Every effort you make is turning into a success. This is the perfect time to tackle projects you've previously deemed too difficult or unachievable. The stars are aligning in your favor, making even complex tasks seem simple. Harness this momentum to eliminate career obstacles and maximize your potential. Taurus horoscope today. Today, your natural charm is amplified, and you'll find yourself effortlessly impressing those around you with your wit and grace. Use this opportunity to expand your social circle and network, as it could lead to exciting new opportunities. This is your moment to shine. Embrace it wholeheartedly and let your magnetism open new doors. Health and wellness. Persistent health issues might have been troubling you recently, but today offers a breakthrough. You'll find an effective approach to manage these chronic concerns. Remember, the key lies in consistency and patience. Stick to the prescribed regimen diligently, and over time, you'll experience significant relief and improvement in your condition. Love and relationship. It's decision time in your love life. While making tough choices can be challenging, this is the ideal time to evaluate your past experiences and learn from them. Whether they bolster your resolve or create hesitation, the way you perceive the past will heavily influence your future. Approach these decisions with confidence and a clear mind. Career and money. Your meticulous attention to detail and dedication to completing tasks perfectly will not go unnoticed today. Superiors may entrust you with additional responsibilities, which can pave the way for career advancement. Financially, you'll see improvements, but it's a great time to focus on long-term planning. Invest wisely and secure your future with careful planning. Gemini horoscope today. Today demands your full focus and effort. It's a day where relying on others might not yield the desired results, so take charge of even the smallest tasks yourself. While the day may feel overwhelming, it ends on a high note with some great news that rewards your perseverance. Stay determined, and success will be yours. Health and wellness. Minor health concerns like sneezes, colds, or coughs might trouble you today. Though these ailments won't pose significant challenges, staying cautious is key. Maintain good hygiene, carry a sanitizer, and be mindful of your surroundings. Take extra care when handling items like matches to avoid unnecessary risks. A little caution will go a long way in keeping you healthy. Love and relationship. Your family and relationships require your immediate attention. While work and external commitments demand your focus, nurturing your personal bonds is equally vital now. Your relationship may have faced challenges recently, but a thoughtful gesture toward your partner can bring immense emotional rewards. Even if it involves a minor financial loss, the love and harmony it fosters will be worth it. Career and money. Your financial acumen and hard work are paying off spectacularly. Critics who doubted your judgment are now recognizing your foresight and reasoning abilities. Enjoy this phase of financial success but spend wisely. Treat yourself to some luxury items you've long desired, but ensure you maintain a balance between indulgence and savings. Cancer horoscope today. Today holds special significance for you, Cancer. A new perspective or insight may dawn on you, perhaps influenced by someone you meet, possibly even a stranger. What you learn today will shape your future decisions and provide clarity on a pressing issue that has been occupying your thoughts. Be open to new ideas and revelations, as they can guide you toward meaningful growth. Health and wellness. Your energy levels are soaring, making you ready to tackle both personal and professional challenges head-on. This positive energy is infectious, inspiring those around you to give their best. Whether at work or home, you'll shoulder more responsibilities than usual, impressing and pleasing those around you. However, pace yourself to avoid burnout and maintain this momentum in the long term. Love and relationship. Your perspective on love is evolving, steering away from casual connections toward deeper, more meaningful relationships. You'll find yourself naturally drawn to mature, long-term prospects. This is the perfect time to reflect on what you truly want in a partner and begin laying the foundation for a committed, lasting relationship. Serious steps toward your romantic future may be on the horizon. Career and money. Valuable career advice from a trusted source could come your way today. Take time to reflect on it carefully. It may significantly impact your professional future. Strip away distractions and evaluate the pros and cons of your current career direction. Prudent planning and thoughtful decision-making at this time will pave the way for long-term success. Leo horoscope today. Confidence is your driving force today, Leo. A long-pending project that was left unfinished now grabs your attention. While obstacles may arise, they won't hinder your progress, thanks to your determination and the timely support of a close friend. An important work connection will bring opportunities to unleash your creativity and imagination. Stay focused on the present and avoid dwelling on the past. Health and wellness. You're radiating vitality and energy today, and the universe seems to be aligning to resolve lingering health issues. You'll finally receive the information you need to tackle a persistent ailment effectively. This is the perfect day to pamper yourself. Consider a rejuvenating spa visit or a relaxing full-body massage to refresh your body and soul. Love and relationship. Your craving for love and attention might make you a bit demanding today. Feelings of insecurity may prompt you to seek exclusivity in your relationship, especially if you and your partner work in the same environment. Be mindful of the delicate position this request might put your partner in. Approach conversations with understanding and patience to nurture your bond. Career and money. Today brings immense opportunities for those in health-related fields. Whether you're a doctor, nurse, healer, or even a medical student, the stars align for your success. Follow any professional advice you receive. It will be incredibly relevant to your career growth. Financially, this is a stable period, so focus on strategic planning to secure long-term gains. Virgo horoscope today. Today calls for caution, Virgo. Be mindful of your movements to avoid minor injuries and tread carefully in your interactions, especially with close ones. Misunderstandings could arise unintentionally, so it's best to focus on your own tasks. Consider indulging in something entertaining, like a movie or a relaxing activity, to ease the tension and keep the day lighthearted. Health and wellness. While you generally enjoy good health, your stamina might feel low this morning. Once you step outside and embrace the bright weather, your energy will likely improve, setting the tone for a productive day. However, exercise caution if driving, particularly two-wheelers. Prioritize safety and avoid unnecessary risks. Love and relationship. Not every date meets expectations, but don't feel disheartened if things didn't go as planned. Relationships take time to blossom, and your partner's worth will soon become evident through meaningful actions. Trust the process, as mutual desires for intimacy and understanding will strengthen your bond over time. Career and money. Your networking abilities will shine today as you connect with people sharing similar interests or careers. Use this chance to mentor and encourage others, building relationships that can be mutually supportive in the future. Patience is key. Trust and collaboration grow gradually, so don't expect immediate returns. Focus on fostering genuine connections. Libra horoscope today. Your inner peace might face challenges today due to unwarranted questions from others about your personal and professional life. Someone close to you may have unintentionally revealed your plans, sparking curiosity and chatter. Don't let this derail your focus. Ignore the noise and stay committed to your goals. Health and wellness. Unexpected situations might trigger your temper today, leaving you feeling embarrassed. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes, everyone does. This emotional outburst could stem from accumulated mental stress over the past few days. Focus on relieving this stress through relaxation techniques, meditation, or even a light-hearted activity that calms your mind. Love and relationship. Today offers a golden opportunity to deepen your romantic connection. If you're single, it's a great time to start an exclusive relationship. For those in steady relationships, marriage or long-term commitment might be on the cards. However, progress depends on your initiative. Step forward and take charge to create the relationship you desire. Career and money. A promising job offer may come your way, but it could require relocating to a new city or even another country. While the opportunity is exciting, consider its implications for your family and lifestyle. Weigh all factors carefully before making a decision. This could be a pivotal moment for your career growth. Scorpio horoscope today. Today calls for financial vigilance, Scorpio. Unexpected expenses may arise, so manage your purse with care to avoid unnecessary losses. Arguments or confrontations are not in your favor, so steer clear of conflicts. On the brighter side, your health is stable, making it a great day to enjoy outdoor activities and reconnect with nature. Health and wellness. Your long-standing thoughts about overhauling your diet will finally take shape today. Clarity will replace hesitation, and you'll understand the steps necessary for long-term health. While your chosen lifestyle change might seem unconventional or intimidating, trust your instincts. This new path aligns perfectly with your well-being goals. Love and relationship. External pressures, especially from professional commitments, might limit the time you can spend with your partner today. Instead of letting this create tension, communicate openly about your feelings and challenges. Your partner will likely surprise you with their understanding and support, helping you feel more connected despite the demands of the day. Career and money. Competitors may attempt to undermine you, but your strong-willed and confident nature will keep you unshaken. It's time to stand firm and stop extending undue politeness to those who seek to take advantage of you. On a positive note, some long-awaited financial gains may finally come your way, bringing unexpected wealth and a boost to your financial situation. Sagittarius horoscope today. Today brings significant opportunities, Sagittarius. A promising connection with someone from a different city or abroad could transform your career prospects. Be vigilant and check your mailbox. You may receive an email with an exciting opportunity. Friends living overseas might even extend an invitation to collaborate. Embrace the color white for good luck today. Health and wellness. It's the perfect day to pamper yourself and focus on self-care. Consider a massage, spa visit, or beauty treatment. You'll feel rejuvenated and energized. Positive news regarding your health or fitness may also arrive today. Experimenting with a new health routine or wellness strategy could reveal what works best for you, setting you on a path to long-term vitality. Love and relationship. Your humor and satire might not land as intended today when trying to impress someone special. Instead, adapt your approach. Flexibility is key to charming others. Be open to exploring different ways of connecting and winning their heart, as rigid methods may not yield the desired results. Career and money. Your hard-working nature shines brightly today, Sagittarius. While you're meticulous about managing money and growing your savings, be mindful not to let financial strictness cause tension in family discussions. Your cash flow is improving steadily, so there's no need to let insecurity dictate your spending habits. Balance is essential for harmony. Capricorn horoscope today. Today is a day of profitable opportunities, Capricorn. A significant transaction, especially involving real estate, is on the cards. Embrace your positive thinking. It's your superpower and will be bolstered by someone close to you. Along with material gains, you'll find time to enjoy life's pleasures and experience spiritual growth. New insights will guide you towards success and prosperity. Health and wellness. Be mindful of your posture today, especially if you spend long hours sitting. Incorrect sitting habits may lead to neck pain or discomfort in your back. Consider using a cushion for support and take breaks to stretch. Your energy levels might feel slightly low, but this could be the perfect motivation to integrate a fitness routine into your daily schedule. Love and relationship. Disappointment may creep in as you search for the perfect partner. Despite meeting many potential matches, none seem to align with your tastes and expectations. Family pressure to settle down might feel overwhelming. Be honest with them about your desire to wait for the right person. Meanwhile, enjoy your singlehood and focus on self-growth. Career and money. You're in a light-hearted and carefree mood today, ready to indulge in fun, parties, and impressing those around you. While your financial health is sound, avoid reckless spending as it could cause unnecessary strain later. Balance your moments of enjoyment with mindful financial decisions to maintain stability. Aquarius horoscope today. Today, Aquarius, it's time to choose between fun and freedom. You'll be granted freedom, but only if you carry a sense of responsibility with you. Despite working hard, you may not achieve your desired goals immediately, but perseverance will eventually lead to success. Don't worry about temporary financial setbacks. They will improve with time, so keep pushing forward. Health and wellness. Be cautious today, as the stars indicate a higher chance of accidents involving heat or fire. Stay alert when handling electrical tools or in the kitchen, and avoid being around anything hot. Stress might manifest as irritability, affecting your interactions with others, so take time to relax and stay calm to avoid further strain. Love and relationship. You might feel unusually aggressive in your approach to love today. This will likely surprise your partner, who is accustomed to your tender romantic gestures. However, they will embrace this bold shift and enjoy the intensity. Explore new dynamics in your relationship. You may be pleasantly surprised by how it strengthens your bond. Career and money. In your professional life, everything is likely to go smoothly today. While you tend to be frugal, you'll also feel an urge for some luxury. Treat yourself to a beautiful item, perhaps a piece of art, or buy an extravagant gift for someone special. This mix of thrift and indulgence will create a satisfying balance. Pisces horoscope today. Today, Pisces, you're encouraged to take the initiative. By leading the way, you'll be the first to receive recognition. However, Avoid overexerting yourself or focusing too much on trivial matters. Watch your words, as blurting out something unintended may upset others. People might unintentionally irritate you, but remain calm and don't let it affect you. Health and wellness. A loved one may require your care today, possibly due to an illness. Be there for them, offering your support and attention. As you nurse them, maintain hygiene by washing your hands regularly. Also, take care of your own health, as minor infections could be a concern today. Pay attention to the small things, as they can have a big impact on your well-being. Love and relationship. Expect major changes in your love life today. An incident or piece of information will shed light on the confusing behavior of your partner from the past week, allowing you to reevaluate your relationship. For singles, you may meet someone intriguing, but it's wise to take things slowly and cautiously to see if the connection is right. Career and money. For those in real estate or the construction industry, the stars are aligned for success. You may find a rare opportunity to buy property at a great price. If you've invested in real estate previously, you're likely to see returns now. It's also a good time to start new investments in the property market, as the results will be favorable. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe to get daily full horoscope updates.